How many bench dips have you done wrong? Watch this. Save this and come back stronger. You're doing triceps pushdowns, but are you doing them right? Save this and come back stronger. You've been doing skull crushers wrong. Let's fix that today. Save this and come back stronger. Do kickbacks like this and watch your arms grow. Save this and come back stronger. If your triceps aren't burning, your pushdowns are wrong. Save this and come back stronger. Do you want bigger triceps? These are the exercises you need. Save this and come back stronger. Are you making these triceps mistakes? Check this before your next rep. Save this and come back stronger.